Hi, my name is Shalini Jose, and I'm a first-year medical student.
Hi, my name is Amanda Vakos. I'm a fourth-year medical student.
And today we're going to be interviewing Amanda to learn more about her international experiences in terms of the field of medicine. So thanks for joining us today. My first question for you is, what made you interested in international medicine?
Yeah, so I chose the scholarly concentration because I've always kind of had an interest in global health. Before coming to medical school, I did an internship at a hospital in Greece.
Okay.
And there I was first exposed to working with a lot of international patients, including Syrian refugees, because it was early in the Syrian refugee crisis, and just seeing the difficulty that a lot of these patients face just accessing medical care, but also having gone through something extremely traumatic, just kind of sparked my interest in working with international medicine.
That's incredible. So that was your first experience internationally with medicine, the Greece trip?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. And since then, have you done any more international work or research?
Yeah, so at USF, I've actually had the opportunity to do two different international experiences. So the first one, when I first came into medical school, I actually was able to help develop a project that was looking at growth in Syrian refugee children who were living in Jordan with another medical student, Nadia Khalil.
Oh, yeah.
And that was really incredible just because we were able to work with a nonprofit organization that was working on the front lines of this crisis. And it was a really unique experience. And then the second thing that I did was during my fourth year, I actually did an international rotation in Colombia for a month.
Okay.
Very similar to a rotation here in the United States. I got to rotate through their OBGYN department. And so I was doing everything from evaluating just OB and GYN complaints as patients came into the ER and helping them triage them to then helping deliver babies and assisting with C-sections in the OR. And that was super cool just because I got to really see the similarities and differences between the Colombian medical system and our own, and then also just meet a lot of wonderful people, including Colombian medical students and doctors. And yeah, that was a very special thing that I was able to be a part of.
That sounds awesome. Yeah, as a first year student, I'm like excited to have all of these experiences. So it's always interesting to hear it from you guys.
Yeah, I would say definitely try to do a rotation abroad your fourth year if you can, just because it's such a unique experience.
Thank you. Appreciate it. And then when you graduate, how do you think you're going to incorporate international medicine into your career as a physician?
I think that's something that I'm still trying to work on developing, but what I've realized throughout the past few years is that I'm really passionate about helping people during and after times of crisis, whether it be something like a natural disaster, political instability. So I hope to work with organizations that help provide global medical relief in that realm.
You're a part of the International Medicine Scholarly Concentration Program. And so I was wondering, what's your favorite aspect about that program?
Yeah, probably my favorite part is just being a part of this community with other people where everyone kind of values a lot of the same things that I do, such as diversity and learning from others, getting to meet new people and having new experiences, and then just also being around people who are just as passionate about helping others as myself. And it's always really fascinating for me to hear what my classmates have done and just hear what their experiences are and learn from them. And I think that's something that's so valuable.
Yeah, I would agree with that. I think even from my beginning experiences, like to see a group of students who are so interested and passionate about working in the global environment is really, it's a really it's a passionate environment, and it's really encouraging and motivating, I think.
Very inspired.
Absolutely. And my last question for you is, since you're almost done with medical school, looking back, do you have any advice for students that are interested in joining the international medicine program?
Yeah, I think it's a wonderful scholarly concentration to be a part of. And I would really just say to come in excited and with an open mind. If you have an idea already of what you want to do internationally, that's great. But if you don't, that's not a problem because Dr. Menezes is amazing, and there are so many great mentors in this concentration who will be able to help you figure it out.
Sounds great. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Thank you.
Have a good day.